So in essence, to save time, because we have a race in like 6 weeks that we're going to be racing this car in, Jim and I came up to Matt's shop, and he was graciously enough, nice enough to let us work here over the weekend, and we were doing some of the fabrication work that we were going to need to do once we got the car back. So basically, we're using the turbo system from the previous car, making it work on the new car, but there's a couple things that needed to change on the hot side. I got a new intercooler from Plasma Man that we're going to be using this time around, so get that set in. Made charge pipes, got the radiator mounted. We did a ton of stuff. We got the fuel cell mounted, shifter mounted. Mark helped with that. Just kind of laying out everything that's going to need to be done to make the car, runnable and drivable. What else did we do? I feel like it was just never ending. I think we worked pretty much, all day. What was that? Fuel cell. Yeah, fuel cell. We ran, got the cable drive kind of mocked up. Oh, we got the doors hung. Helped Mark get the trunk put on. And there's a lot of things that personal preference that it was better for me to be here to be like, I like this here, I like that there, just because I know how I want it because I'm racing a current car. So if there's something I don't like or something I do like, we can do it the same way or make a change to make it, more preferable. So it was nice to be able to, work together with Matt and Mark and do that.
Nice. Yeah. So you said the hot side was needed?
Yeah, the hot side's, well, we just had to change one of the hot side pipes, but the cold side is all new. And then this turbocharger is a little bit different, so the mount, we actually mounted the turbos because there was no mounts there to get them in the same place. Like mounted a water can, trans connectors, fuel filters, just knocking out small stuff we were gonna have to do when we get back. So when we get back, we'll be able to, still have to do the composite mounting for the front, and then paint it and assemble it, and then we'll be ready to run. That's the goal.
It's as easy as that.
It's easy as that. Put it together. It's a big puzzle. You just put the pieces together, but you got to make the pieces first. It's the tricky part that no one talks about.
Doors are mounted.
Yeah, and know what you want the puzzle to look like when it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's already feeling pretty natural, which is surprising to me because it's on a table, the floor's in a different spot. There's no body on it. So when you're in there, you don't feel like you're at home yet, but it feels good. So I know once it's on the ground and the panels are all on it and stuff, and then we'll be able to tell for sure.
Nice. Heck yeah. You got a lot of room for your drinks, your snacks, and everything.
Yeah, and bags of clothes and garbage and everything we were joking all weekend that the car's actually too nice that it's going to be a little more maintenance to keep it nice, but it's going to be worth it because it's going to race really well. Yeah.
And then you got slightly larger turbos?
Yeah, they're a little larger, just a little different, basically. Try them out, see how it goes. If not, put the other ones back on. But we're always trying something new, we never leave it alone.
Right. Yeah, you can never leave it alone.
Yeah.
I'll say, man, did you do anything?
No, I just supervised. Got steering done. I got the Firewall.
Well, the little stuff that takes long doesn't feel like big things, but just finishing small things
We got the window support rods in.
That's right, we fit the window up, the tunnel started.
The tunnel carbon deal. So once we get it off the jig, we'll do all the Zeuses because I have to sit in the tunnel to do them, but this is the transmission cover. So it's still an open style transmission tunnel, but for a little bit more safety, we opted to do like an actual enclosure type deal that's just Zeused on. Anti-roll bar links, did those today. Man, I feel like I did a lot more.
Yeah, like I said, the small stuff just takes the most time.
Right.
You did window bars, but it's 2-3 hours to get the window set and get the bars made.
Yeah.
It's just how it goes.
Yep.
It's long and tedious.
It is, for real.